Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss the pure virtual functions. Normally, whenever you are redefining the functions, in that time here we are using the our virtual keyword. So that we can also call like here function overriding, right? So here now by using the virtual functions, we can also define the our pure virtual functions, right? Your pure virtual function is the one type of our virtual function only. By using this here, we are not writing the any function definition, but here we can declare the our function into the programmatic. So how means here these pure virtual functions are defined in the same way of the our functions. So how we are defining the our functions, by that only here similar to we are defining the our pure virtual functions, and these are declared inside the our base classes and without any relative definition. But here we can declare it, that is possible in a pure virtual function. And here the pure virtual function does not have the any body or it implementation. So means here the function will be having the body section, right? So why mean like that here? So in a pure virtual function here, it will not have the any body section or else here any implementation. So we must implement all pure virtual functions or in the derived classes only. And the pure virtual functions we can also call like here abstract function. We can also call here abstract function. And whatever you have the pure virtual, suppose here if you're defining the at least one pure virtual class in our functions, that we can call like here abstract class. At least one of class you are defining in the pure virtual function, that we can call like here our abstract class. And also here we cannot create the object directly in our abstract class. Whatever you have the member functions of the abstract class, that can be invoked by the our derived class object. So by that here you can invoke the our pure virtual functions. And normally here if you're declaring the our virtual functions, it will be having the virtual keyword, and after that you are writing the void, and then we have the function name, right? So how we can define the our pure virtual functions? So comparing to the our virtual, here it is also same, but how we can identify this is the pure virtual programmatic? By using the virtual void display. You can see normally, so the virtual normally how you're defining the or redefining functions, in the time also will be having the virtual keyword, right? So yes, we can say, and void return type display is our function name. So but here we can define this is the virtual name or else virtual function, but here where we have the pure virtual function. So we don't have in this pure virtual function, but here how we can identify this is a virtual function or else pure virtual function means here we can append the 0 after the function. Here we need to be write the 0. Once you are writing the 0, we can say this is the our pure virtual function. If you don't have this equal to 0, we can say that is the just virtual function. If we have equal to 0, definitely you can say that is a pure virtual function. So let's see the syntax to define with the our pure virtual functions. So here we have the some syntax to define with this. First here we need to be define the our class and the class name. Class name. So here it declares the or else it can be denotes the base class of the C++ virtual function. It is the base class of the C++ virtual function. And after that open the our class. In that here you can define the our access controls like your public or else access specified. And here we can write the virtual void. And here you need to be write the function name, whatever you have the function name that you can write here, function name, or else you can say here virtual function name also. Once you completed this one, you have to be write the 0. Once if you are writing the 0, so this is the our pure virtual function. If you are not writing the 0, we cannot say this is the our pure virtual. So that is a virtual function only. If you are writing like this here, this is the virtual function. If you are writing the equal to 0, that is a pure virtual function. And then close this. Like this here we can define the our pure virtual functions. Thank you for the watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel.